everyone and welcome to Visuals of My Life. I hope you all are doing great. So this video is going to be about my travel experience on flying back to Jammu during this pandemic, what all airport changes I observed, what all precautions I took during this travel journey, and I will also be sharing my experience on getting tested for COVID-19 plus my stay at the quarantine center. So if you're interested in watching, please stay tuned and let's begin the video. Okay, now talking about all the precautions that I took while traveling, other than the mask, the sanitizer and the gloves, I was also wearing a head cap, I had a face shield with me, I was carrying these wet wipes and I was also carrying these spray sanitizers along with me. So I was making sure that before touching any surface or before sitting anywhere, I was spraying the surface with this sanitizer and ensuring that it's clean and sanitized. So now after reaching the airport, you'll be first asked to sanitize your luggage. You'll have to pass it through a UV sanitizer and then you'll be asked to proceed towards the CISF checkpoint. Now, as per the Government of India and Airport Authority of India, the web check-in has been made compulsory. So make sure that before reaching the terminal, you have web checked in your flight and you also have your Arogya Setu app installed on your device and it's showing the green status on. And after your identification, then you'll be thermally scanned. And once all these formalities are completed, then only you will be allowed to enter inside the airport. So now once you enter inside the airport, all you have to do is proceed towards your airline counter and drop your baggage and collect your boarding pass. And then you can proceed towards the security check-in. Now, honestly speaking, I was slightly disappointed on seeing that no social distancing is being followed at the airport. Delhi airport is way too crowded and I saw people standing in groups and talking, and even if they are in the queues, no social distancing is maintained. The airport authority is making regular announcements and even chairs have been marked that the middle seat is supposed to be vacant, but I think that was not really being followed by everyone, and that is really disturbing to see. So the moral of the story is आपको अपनी रक्षा खुद करनी है. Make sure that you're following all the norms and taking the precautions really well and maintaining the social distancing as well. Now at the time of boarding, you'll be asked to submit a self-declaration form provided by the airlines. So basically ये form आप online भी fill करते हैं before your boarding pass gets generated, and now this has to be submitted offline as well. So airlines ही आपको airport पे ये forms provide करेंगी and at the time of boarding you have to submit this form and then collect your safety kit from them. तो इस safety kit में आपको एक face shield, एक face mask and few sachets of sanitizers मिलते हैं. And if you're someone who has been allotted a middle seat, तो middle seat वालों के लिए the airlines is also providing the PPE kits or the PPE covers to protect yourself. So inside the plane, no beverages or meals are getting served to the customers. So make sure that you're carrying your own water bottles with you. Now, since we're dealing with a pandemic, every state and union territory has defined its own set of rules and protocols that are mandatory to be followed by all the passengers coming by any modes of transport. So J&K administration का भी कुछ ऐसा ही rule है. So if you're coming by air, rail or road, you have to follow this protocol of getting quarantined under the administration itself. So there are certain exemptions. For example, if you're already having a negative test report with you of COVID-19, in that case you'll be asked to go for a home quarantine directly. So, but that report should not be less than 48 hours. So this did not actually work for me. Actually, I tried getting tested myself in Delhi. I contacted several hospitals and several doctors as well and private labs so that I can get tested there. But that didn't really work because Delhi में situation इतना खराब है that even the people who have reported symptoms are not getting tested at the right time. So forget about the regular people who just want to get a test report for the travel purpose. So that didn't really work. So instead I decided to come back and get a paid quarantine service at the airport. So then you'll be taken to one of the sampling booths where the medical staff is available. They'll again ask you certain questions and they'll fill up a form on your behalf. So the questions will be about where you're coming from and where do you want to go, your address details, your name, your age, and they'll also ask whether you want to go for a paid quarantine or the free quarantine service. So once these formalities are completed, then only the sample will be collected. So for sampling purposes, they are using the nasal swab method. So what they do is they insert a long Q-tip kind of a thing inside one of your nostril and twirl it around. So I would say that it is not a painful thing, but definitely it's slightly uncomfortable and not so pleasant at the same time. So once your sampling has been done, आपको एक stamp लग जाएगा that you have been sampled for COVID-19, and at the exit of the airport you'll be asked by the CISF staff to show that stamp, and then they'll again reconfirm with you that whether you want to go for a paid quarantine or free quarantine, and उसी के basis पे आपको एक receipt भी generate करके मिलेगा वहाँ से, and then you will be asked to board the bus for your quarantine center. So I guess जो जम्मू एयरपोर्ट में अराइव कर रहे हैं उन सबको कटरा ही लिया जा रहा है for quarantine, and कटरा में once you reach there they'll stop at one of the base points and they'll again reconfirm the details from you, and वहीं पे they'll ask you to choose from the hotel of your choice. There are few options like there's Hotel KC Residency, Hotel Asia and Hotel Kalka Royal, so you can choose depending upon your personal requirements. And then talking about the hotel ka price range, it is from 1500 to 2500 rupees per day per person, and if you're someone who's looking for twin sharing option, that can also be availed, and that will be around 2500 to 3000 rupees. So as per the government, it will take around 48 to 72 hours for your test reports to come in, but in my case it was around I think 24 hours when my test came. So I got tested around 10 a.m. on Saturday, and around 1 o'clock Sunday I got an SMS from the government officials that my report has been generated and I have been tested negative. And after that I also received a call from the administration itself where they asked me how I want to go back home, whether someone will be coming to pick me up or whether I want to go back by the government bus itself. So that option is also provided to the passengers. Now after receiving the call from the administration, you'll again have to wait for a few hours so that the physical copy of your report reaches the hotel, because once that is there, only after that you'll be allowed to check out from the place. Now talking about the management and the hotel service, well, I have to say that they are doing a commendable job. The service provided is really good, the food is really hygienic, and they are making sure that they're sanitizing each item properly. So that was all about this video. I hope you found it useful. Just a disclaimer that this was not an unnecessary travel. आप सबको पता है कि अभी दिल्ली में सिचुएशन कितना खराब हो रहा है, it's getting worse day by day. So my parents were really concerned and worried, so they wanted me to come back home. And other than that, I would have actually come back early, but JNK में भी अपना ही प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है. यहाँ पे अभी तक we do not have 4G functional, and now the private service providers have started coming in like Airtel, Jio, but उनका भी अभी सब areas में proper functionality नहीं हुआ है. So I was waiting for one of the service providers to reach at my place, and now I finally have a good internet connection installed. So now that everything is sorted, I am home, and I'm really looking forward to spend time with my family as well. So that was all about this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.